Hey G Squad, welcome back to the episode of Is It Worth It? So for today's episode, we got this cool instrument right here. And basically what this is a smart LED light bars. If you can see the one that we got right here is from the Govee brand. And this is basically what they call the product right here. So they basically provide you guys two of these light bars right here. And right here, they tell you guys some of the specs that's on here. And you definitely connect it onto Alexa or Google Assistant as well. And when we turn it on the side right here, they provide you guys some more specs about the product as well. But I'm actually open this up to show you guys what the product looks like first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this will actually looks like right here. So first thing they provide you guys inside right here is a user manual to teach you guys how to set a product and also how to use it as well. If you guys turn the back part right here, they give you guys a QR code to actually scan to download the app. But when we take off this part right here, there's definitely something inside right here. So I'm actually take it out first. Alright, so when you guys first open up, this will actually looks like inside right here. Let's take it out. Alright, so when you guys first take it out, it looks like there's the two light bars right here. And basically the cable that they use on here is a USB-C cable. So you definitely want to plug that in to actually activate it. Alright, so once we take off the wrapper, you can definitely see that this is basically what the product looks right here. So basically this side is where the light will come out. If you guys flip it to the other side, they basically give you guys the option right here if you guys want to hang on to the wall. So that's what the light bar looks like right here. Let me actually show you guys what else is in here first. So you see inside right here, they provide you guys some board and mounting accessory as well. They can use as a stand as well. So when we take these out, this actually looks right here. So basically how this works, you guys want to go like this and insert it in. Once you guys insert it in, this actually looks right here. So definitely use it as accessory right here if you guys want to. Or if you guys want to use this accessory, you definitely do that as well. So this is the one where you guys want to mount it in the back. So if you guys want to clip it in right here, you can definitely do that on here. And you guys can stick this onto the wall using the 3M tape in the back. When we take all of that out, there's some more stuff as well. So inside this box right here, looks like they provide you guys a camera option right here. So I'm assuming for the camera right here is for you guys to actually detect the surroundings. So that way the product knows what kind of light to actually turn on. The next box that we got right here, they provide you guys this accessory right here. So I'm assuming you guys can actually use this to control each one of the actual product right here. So the two light bars and then the actual camera. So you see right here on the side we do have the outlet. And then right here we do have the slot where you have to plug in the cable to actually activate it. And then the back right here we do have the 3M tape if you guys want to stick it onto the wall. And for the front part right here we do have a mic. So that way if you guys want to use a music mode, you can definitely do that on here. And they also provide you guys this mounting accessory as well. I'm assuming you guys actually put this to actually protect like the wall. So that way you guys won't damage the wall once you guys install it. And then for the last box that we got right here, this is basically the cable you guys want to use to actually activate the product. And that is basically everything that's included in the package right here. Let me actually connect it to show you guys how it works first. So you basically want to plug this part inside here first. And then for the other side right here, you guys want to plug in the cable, which is this one right here. So if we plug it in, you can definitely see how bright the light is on here. So there's a total of 3 different buttons on here. So here is the power button. So you can definitely turn it on. The next button below that is to change the different color options on here. So you see we can definitely change the color options on here. And we see the color on here is actually really bright as well. If you guys want to change the different modes on here or the different scenes, you guys want to press on the last button. So there's definitely a lot of different scenes on here. So I'm guessing for the camera option, you guys don't have to use it. But if you guys want to, you can definitely use that option on here. But I'm just connect it onto the app first to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright, so we got the app open. You basically want to click on add device. Once you guys click on add device, you have to click on the Bluetooth button on the top right corner. Once you guys click on that button, you can definitely see the product right here. So you guys want to connect it first. And basically for the next page right here, they help you guys adjust it. So if you guys want to adjust it in a certain position, you can definitely do that on here. So I'm actually going to connect the camera as well to show you guys what it actually looks like. And then we'll come back and talk more about the product in a second. Alright, so we have everything all set right here. So we got the light bar set right here, and we do have the camera option as well. So when you guys use the product right here, you don't really need to use the camera, but if you guys want to, you definitely can. Basically what is the benefits of using the camera option is so that way when you guys are using like a certain light, so let's say if you guys put like a white color in front of the camera, these light will actually turn white. So I'm gonna show you guys what I mean. So if we go to the app option right here, if we go to the video option, so basically right now we have it in the video option, and basically whatever the camera sees, like in terms of the color, so if it sees red, it'll change it to red. If it sees white, it'll change it to white. So let me see if I put my hand right here, it changed the color right there to like white. But I take it off, it changed back to red. Let me actually turn off the light to show you guys a better view of the product. So I actually put a different color on. Let me show you guys what happened on here. So I'm gonna use like a yellow color on here. Alright, so we got yellow color on here. Let's see what happens. Alright, so you see once it sends the yellow color on here, it changes the color to yellow. So basically whatever color it sees using the camera option on here, that is basically the color actually would change on here. So that is how you guys use the video option or the camera option on here. But like I mentioned, it's not required. You don't have to use it if you guys don't want to. But let's test out the light bars on here to show you guys how that works. So if I want to change the different colors on here, I definitely can. But definitely the cool thing about the product here is the fact that if you guys want to actually change the different colors for each different section on the light bar, you definitely can. So let's say if you guys want a red, yellow, white, blue, you can definitely customize all that on here. Or if you guys want one side to be yellow and one side to be blue, you can definitely do that as well. So let's say I want to change this one to yellow. You can see how to change this yellow on the other side right here. And if you guys want to do what I said earlier, like each section is different color, I can definitely do it on here as well. You can see the color scheme on here. Let me actually turn it the other way to show you guys what it actually looks like. Alright. So when we actually turn on the other side, you guys can see what it actually looks like on this side. So it's definitely pretty bright right now, so you guys can't really see it too well compared to when I actually bounce it off the wall. Alright. So that's what it actually looks like when you guys bounce it against the wall. So you definitely choose a lot of different color options on here if you guys want to. And you also have the option to turn on and turn off the timer option if you guys want to. And you definitely have the option to increase or lower the brightness as well. But let's test out the music option on here to show you guys how that works. Alright. So basically right now we have the music option on here. So right now when I'm talking right now, you can definitely see the light on here definitely does work. But let's play a song on here to show you guys how well it performs. Alright, so you can definitely see the music mode on here definitely works really well. But now let's test out the Alexa option to see when it actually works. Turn off bar.
Okay.
Turn on bar.
Okay.
Alright, so you can definitely see that actually does work. Let's try to change the color option on here. Change the color of bar to blue.
Okay.
Alright, so you can see that definitely does work if you guys want to use Alexa option on here. And you can definitely use like Google Assistant as well. But you can definitely see the product definitely works really well. It definitely looks really cool when you guys fully set it up. And welcome back guys. So next a quick test of the product, definitely see that she does work and she works quite well. I definitely love the way how to design the product so that way the light can bounce off the wall. Actually looks really cool, especially if you guys are playing games or whatever. And it's also really cool how she gives you guys the option to control it on the remote, or if you guys want to control it on the app, or if you guys want to use the word control, you can definitely do that as well. But you can see from the test, the product works really well and it's actually really bright. And definitely see all the different options on here in terms of the music mode, the different brightness level, the different color options, the customizable light option, and so much more. But that is basically everything that's on the product right here. Not the unboxing and testing product, not the end question of whether or not it's actually worth it or not. So for this product right here, I would definitely have to say that it is pretty worth it if you guys want one and need one of these. Especially if you guys want to decorate like your desk to add a little bit of light. So that way you guys get a better gaming experience. Then this is definitely super worth it. But then obviously for those of you guys who don't want or don't need one or have one of these, then obviously don't buy one and save your money for something else actually do need. So that's basically everything for this video itself. If you guys like this video, make sure to smash that like button in the bottom. That will definitely help this video out. And it will definitely help with the algorithm as well to promote more videos for you guys so you guys can see more of the videos or similar videos as well. But as always, make sure to stay positive, be you, and I'll see you guys in the next episode of Is It Worth It? Peace.